to join in Ayra. Look at this. See, sand winning activity. See. 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 This small rain will see. See. So assuming if we all come and settle, you go to town and it's late in the night and this rain fall, what do we do? This is another problem we are going to face after this our electrification project. Seriously. When you talk, you get somebody who will come and defend this. I've been saying this, that since we decided not to be truthful to ourselves, this is what will be happening to us. When you're trying to stop the wrongful things, you get attacked. Please, see. Hey, see the pressure from the top. Maybell entry. Hey, look, you see, some degraded the road to fill up somebody's foundation. Look at the cost. Let me get to the back. You'll be surprised. Hey. In the future, we are the same people who will be calling upon government. This is serious. Now, check what has happened here. After we decided to use sand on our road for this footing. Check. See the whole place. You talk, you get being attacked. And this is a pending disaster. Look at this. Just behind somebody's wall. See. You see the wind sand here. The foundation is stretching. What are we doing to ourselves? Automatically it has become gutter. Automatically. See, listen to the sound, the pressure. See. Yeah. And the rain is not over yet too. Look at this. Wow. I wish I could have jumped to the other side, but it's very, very dangerous. Look at the depth. Oh my God.